Good morning, gentlemen. If I'm not there at the start of this lesson for the Google Meet, please close it or come back to it later, as I might be slightly delayed. Uh, Keep a watch for emails when I get back. But in the meantime, we're doing a lesson two for today. So, going to lesson two, we're doing the exponential functions. So we have Mr. Farragut. He's going through the notes that he's written very carefully and well done, actually. And then he'll show you how you can do it on the calculator. The exponential function is a very simple function. It has really only two features: where it cuts the y-axis and this special line called the asymptote. We'll have two lessons on this. Once you completed that, you can write out the notes. They're the same thing, but as a document. So you don't have to see Mr. or listen to Mr. Farragut. And finally, don't forget we have the exercises to do. So he's asked you to do questions 2, 3, 5, and 7 and practice it with your calculator. So as I'll try and email you when I get back. Have a good start to the lesson.